Hello everyone, this is Payal Sehgal. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you all can do a egg white peel off face mask at home very easily, very quickly. So for this egg white peel, you need 4 things in total. That's it, and that is very well available in your house, I'm sure. You need an egg white, you need lemon juice, you need cream, and you need facial tissue paper or any tissue paper for that matter. So let's talk about benefits of this egg white peel mask. It has omega-3, it is an anti-aging face mask peel. It has lots of benefits like it tightens up the skin and it feels very firm and very soft. So let's start making a perfect peel with all 3 things first. So you need all these items. In the bowl with the spoon has egg white, whisked egg white, and the second bowl has lemon juice, third bowl has little bit of cream in it, and I have facial wipes. So let's get started. I have prepared this mixture. I have used 1 whole egg white, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of fresh cream, and I have whisked it very well. Once it's done, you have to put this mixture on your face. Let's get started. Just make sure before putting this mixture you need to wash your face, scrub your face. Just prepare your skin for this peel off face mask. So as I've already done scrubbing, I've washed my face, I've done my scrubbing. Now it's time to put this egg white peel on my face. I'm super duper excited. Let's see. So as you can see, I'm putting it on my skin, all over my face, very nicely, all over. Trying to cover all the corners, all the areas on my face, on my chin. Now I'm starting to put the tissue paper. So you place the tissue paper and you put the mixture on top of the tissue paper so that the tissue paper is intact, more intact. It has more grip on your face. So you tear the tissue papers, you keep putting on the areas. Like first I've started with the forehead. So I've placed the tissue on my forehead and I've dabbed the mixture over there. And now I'm going to repeat the same procedure on the other areas. So this goes in between here. I'm going to dab it. And I'm going to put this on. The mixture on top of the tissue paper. And I'll keep repeating the same procedure all over my face. This goes on the side, on my cheeks, and the mixture. See, it's the same thing. Tear, apply, and then put the mixture on. So this process will keep happening till the time your whole face is covered with the tissue. So you take off the extra as per your requirement. So you will know exactly how much you need once you start placing the tissues on your face. It's very simple, very easy. So you keep putting it on, keep placing the mixture on top of the tissue and repeating. And here you go. So you keep certain areas, I mean extra tissue on certain areas so that it's easy to pull it out. So as you can see, I've put some extra tissue on top of my forehead, under my chin and my side area so that it's easy to pull the mask. Now it's done. Time to wait. Have a cup of coffee, listen to music, do whatever you want. Once it's done, once it's completely dry, it's time. Now you start pulling it out. It takes at least 30 to 35 minutes to dry completely. So you wait and it comes out very nicely, very easily. And it's so satisfying. You will feel all the dirt and dead skin coming out of your face. And you will feel so clean and soft. Now, time to wash your face. I have washed my face now and it feels super soft and supple, and my skin feels very healthy. So this peel off home mask is really natural and very easy to make at home. So you really don't need to spend a lot of money for anti-aging products. It's totally chemical free and totally worth it. So all you need is to follow these simple steps with these 3 ingredients and a tissue paper, and you are just 35 minutes away from a soft, supple, healthy and young skin. I hope my video helped, and I hope you will try this amazing and interesting egg white peel off mask at home and get this glow. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope my video helped and you will be able to achieve amazing skin at home and enjoy the benefits of egg white face peel mask at home with these 3 ingredients. I will be back next time with more home remedies to get healthy skin. Till then, you all stay home, stay safe. Bye. For more tips and more tutorials, please like my channel and hit the subscribe button and like my video. Thank you.